Have you ever felt that even when you know English very well, something still sounds slightly off in your pronunciation? Not wrong, but not quite natural either. And the reason is often hidden in one small detail: the way vowel sounds move when you speak. And today, we're going to fix that problem. Hello everyone, this is me, Hashmi, and welcome back to Study with Hashmi. So far, we have carefully explored the long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds with structured practice, and now we are stepping into one more refined and advanced area of pronunciation: the diphthongs. A diphthong is not just a sound, it's a dynamic vowel movement. In simple words, your tongue does not stay in one position, it glides smoothly from one sound to another sound within a same syllable. And that is why diphthongs are often referred as a gliding vowel sounds. And mastering them is essential if you want your speech to sound much more natural, fluent, and polished. So there are 7 diphthongs in multicultural London accent, and they are pronounced as A, I, Oi, Ow, O, ear, and air. The example words for these sounds are face, time, boy, now, go, here, care. Before we dive deeper into diphthongs and explore them one by one, there is one important point that you need to understand. In some traditional forms of English, particularly in BBC, the standard form of English, or more classical pronunciation models, you may come across an additional diphthong such as OR sound. For example, in words like poor. But this sound is no more present in the diphthongs category for the London accent speakers. In modern London accent, this sound is generally not treated as a separate diphthong and is often simplified or merged with other vowel sounds. This is because the London accent is not fixed or rigid. It's a dynamic and evolving variety of English influenced by multiple accents and speech patterns. In many ways, it can be seen as a modern development of received pronunciation shaped by real-life usage and diversity. Now is the time we should have some individual practice for the 7 diphthongs. But as always, pay close attention. These sounds can appear at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of certain words. Let's start with the first one sound. Listen and repeat after me. A. The example words are age, late, day. The second sound is I. Listen and repeat after me. I. The example words are eyes, time, sky. Sound number 3, Oi. Listen and repeat after me. Oi. The example words are oil, point, boy. Sound number 4, Ow. Listen and repeat after me. Ow. This is my favorite sound. The example words are out, house, now. Sound number 4, O. The example words are open, go, home. Sound number next, ear. The example words are ear, idea, here, The last one sound, air, air. The example words are air, care, share. One important thing to remember, diphthongs are not about speed. They are about controlled movement. If you rush them, you lose clarity. Always remember this. But if you guide the sound carefully, your pronunciation becomes naturally refined with consistent practice, right? These sounds will become a natural part of your speech, and that is the goal. So that brings us in the end of today's lesson. We will continue to refine your pronunciation with much more detailed and practical training, right? Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.